Hi, this is David with My Gypsy Store. I'm here to help make your life easy, and we're talking about creating a product with variations today. This is an advanced video, but I'm going to make it very simple for you. There's a couple ways to do variations, and there's several ways actually, but there's only one right way. So if you're watching this video, I recommend that you take notes or simply watch this video and create your product as you watch this video. Pause this video as you go if you're creating a product with variations for the first time. I notice a lot of people will watch the videos, try to absorb it all at once, and then jump to doing a product with variations and then kind of fail miserably. One of the things that I'm going to say right from the bat, you'll know that you did it right if you go to view your product after you've already created it and it shows the price and the drop downs are there. You know you did it right. You did it wrong if there's no price, and if there's no price or the options don't pop up with that price, then you'll have to rewatch this video a little bit closer. But if you watch it, all is well. If you follow along carefully, you're going to have success, and you'll see how easy it really is. It's really easy. But if you try to skip around or jump around, you're going to have a hard time. So we're going to go ahead and upload a product that is a moon cluster ring. And it has a couple options, and you could choose the options, and it's going to be the same price in this example. So let's go ahead and get started. This one's going to be called a custom moon cluster ring, and we're not going to start typing in this section at all here because this is a product with variations. So when you're going to create a product with variations, do not start typing in this area, otherwise that causes you frustrations. Always work from top to bottom, and if you work from top to bottom, all is well. So as I go from top to bottom and I skip this area here because I'm going to work with variations, I'm going to then select a category. This is going to be a handmade ring. There's a product cover image. I can choose to upload all my product cover images or all my images for this product, but to really be wise about it, I'm going to select one product cover image. Then I'm not going to add more images here because I want them to pop up only when someone selects the variations. Let's go ahead and see what that does, see how it makes sense. Okay, you can choose to upload all of your images, and that's fine, but doing it this way will also help to make sure that someone doesn't go back and say, well, you know, I got confused. I didn't see the right image. I thought I chose the right one. I'll show you why it makes sense in a second. So I'm going to upload my product cover image, and I'm going to use a complete ring. This is your opportunity. If you didn't rename this, it's image 575 says here, now's your chance to then retype it and put custom moon cluster, the caption, custom moon cluster ring. You might want to add in some stuff like made out of sterling and turquoise. Why? Because this information is pulled from Google. That's a good thing, right? Okay, so okay. Okay, I'm saying here that this main image is for illustrative purposes only because this is going to be the cover image. All right, I'm going to set this featured image. We're good to go there. Okay, and moving on, tags. I'm going to put ring, turquoise, handmade, of course, the whole site's handmade, sterling, And that'll do for now. For a short description, this is going to be a made to order custom moon cluster ring in your size. This is the subtitles, the short description. The description is now the body. Short description, once again, subtitle. Description is the body. Okay, so I basically said select from two options based on the center stone as shown in the option images. Once again, this is just the cover image. I'm not adding more images here. You can, but it's wiser to then specify that they are to choose based on the option images, okay? So, on to the next important step. There's only one right way to do this. You don't want to bounce around doing this wrong. Let's keep it simple. You're not going to use enable product stock management here. You're going to do it within the options themselves. So once you click, instead, this product has multiple options, e.g. multiple sizes or colors, or in this case, cluster options. I'm going to click this. Okay, it then brings up an option name, and the option name is going to be select stone option, what stones you want. Then the option values, this is where I'm going to enter in my two options of the clusters. So I have a dark teal set, okay? No spaces, I'm just capitalizing for each one. I'm going to press space. That's now one option. Then there's light, dark teal set, space, and then light blue set, and then space. These are now my two options. Does that make sense? Please let yourself view this for a little while. Let that soak in. These are my two options for my stones. Okay. Some people, what they'll want to do instead is they're going to say, oh, dark teal set, add an option. Light blue set, add an option. I'm not doing that. I'm having one option with two items within that one option. If you do it the wrong way and just click add option, and here you have dark blue, light blue, medium colored, you're going to have a problem. It's not going to show the price, okay? So these are my two options. I'm then clicking the next button down. This isn't complicated yet, right? Following along. I click create variation using those attribute options. I'm click that. So here's now my stone options. I have the variant of a dark teal set and a light blue set. Did you see that? How it popped up after I clicked that button? Now this is where I enter my price. $175 for the dark teal set, $175 for the light blue set. If I'm going to have a SKU, I'm going to put it in there. Okay. So let's just call this SKU 110020, and this is 110021. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to that section. All right, so I'm scrolling down the visibilities catalog or search if I want everybody to see it. enable product reviews. My purchase note, this is when someone buys this option or buys this item, what it is that you want to send their way. So I would say, thank you for your order. Please ensure to have selected emailed me your size or use the inquiry note section to send me your size. I appreciate your order and I hope to see you again soon. Something like that, just for an example. Okay, so let's go ahead and look from top to bottom. I put my title. I selected a main product cover image. I have my category set. I've got some tags put in. I've got my subtitle, my main body. I didn't mess with any of this up here. Notice when I click this, the top that was there before, it disappears. Where you do, single product stock management and all that, it is gone. When you click create variation using those attribute options, you then enter in the stone options as shown. Then after you click this, you enter in the prices. Please do it this way. If you try to do it another way, there's plenty of ways that you can try to do it and get it wrong. Okay, thank you. Let's go ahead and save product. Okay, now I've got another step to do. Now that I've saved the product, I'm going to scroll down and you're going to see that this has kind of changed the way it's looked. Now I'm able to click an action. I'm able to then set a dark teal set first. I'm going to do dark teal set first. I'm going to select my image for it and whatnot from my library. This is the dark teal set. Just remember, now's my opportunity. If I didn't change the name or title of it, I can go ahead and change it now. But I'm going to set the variation image. Now you have to and you must always enable product stock management. I don't have 75 sets of these stones. The default is for it to assume that you have more. So you must always click to enable product stock management. It doesn't matter if it's an item without variations or one with variations. You will not see this smaller screen in an item that doesn't have variations, but this is where you enable product stock management. I'm going to put one in stock. Allow back orders, do not allow, of course, and it's in stock. And I have the image. I clicked that it's for the dark teal set. I'm clicking save. Okay, now I'm going to do the second one. If I did the dark, now what I got to do? The light. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to select the light blue teal set. I'm going to select the image for the light blue teal set. Okay, light blue center stone. Set it. Enable my product stock management. Put one in stock. Do not allow back orders. My price is there. If I want to put it on sale, I can always put $150 here if I want to put on sale and set the date from when that sale is going to go, or I can create a coupon later on, either or. Click save. Okay, look, I have a dark and I have a light and an image for each. I have my main product image, and that's it. I'm going to click save product. After I click save, the smart thing to do is always view your product. So you're always going to then want to view your product after you saved it. And voila, there's a price here. If I did something wrong, there would not be a price here. It would show 175, or it would show 175 to 175 if I did it some other creative way, but this is the right way. choose an option, I click it, and of course now it shows dark teal set or light blue set. Notice this drop down's working and it tells me choose an option. If I click dark teal set, it pops up the window to show that one is in stock, and I can add it to the cart. And there it is in my cart. I can also choose the light blue set, and I can add it to my cart. Now there's 350 in my cart. You can see they're both going to be in here. I'm going to click on my cart. It shows two different images in my cart. That way this person knows that they selected absolutely for sure this product that has the dark teal center stone. This one has a different image for it. It shows the light blue set. Okay. Hope that makes sense for you. And I'll go back to my products just to show you once again. There's the custom ring. I'm now going to look at the home page. It's going to be right there visible on the home page. And the latest products, here we are. Detail. And I have a main image that I can click on, and it says custom moon cluster. And it says custom moon cluster ring made out of sterling and turquoise. And then it doesn't show any other images here until I choose an option. A dark teal set, and then changes the main image. And if I click on that dark teal set, it says custom moon cluster ring made out of sterling and turquoise at the bottom. And that's all there is to it. I have done it correctly. I've shown you how to do it correctly. Life is good. Product variations are easy. If I were to want to create something that has not only two options, let's say it has size, like a beanie that has a size medium, or size small, medium, and large. That is one. I'll show you here just to go into it real quick. Go to products. Then I'm going to go back to this moon cluster ring. Okay. Here's the variance for one of the options. I had one option called select your stone. And that one option had a couple variants. I can add another one or another option that is size and color. So you can have a beanie that is a small, medium, large, and also is available in pink, blue, yellow, and green. And there's only one way to do that right. And perhaps I'll do a separate video for it. But this will cover 90% of the options out there. All right, this is a simple video on adding one option like stone set choices. So have a great day, and signing out. Till next time. Hope you enjoyed the training video. Bye-bye.